when we have a table like this and we want to write equations, we can either write an explicit or recursive. But first, we want to determine what type of function this is. So we can see that each time we're going to be multiplying by 2. So when we're writing our explicit function, the y value, or the output, is going to be something where we're working with the input, the x value. So for this type of problem, we're going to have the starting output, which is 5, and we have to multiply that by what each output is being multiplied by. So times 2, and then we're going to raise the 2 to the x minus 1. So for this example, it's going to be 2 to the power that's 1 before the one we're trying to work off of, and then we're going to multiply it by 5 since that's the starting point. So example, x equals 3, we want y to equal 20. So 2 to the 3 minus 1 would be 2 to the second, which is 4, and then 5 times 4 is 20. So we can see that that works. For the recursive, we want to work with the outputs instead of the inputs, so that we know that the output at the end value, the x value, is going to equal something that we're doing to these values, opposed to the explicit working with these. So in this example, we're going to have to multiply 2, because we're multiplying by 2 in every case, and we're multiplying 2 times the output of the value that's 1 above us. So for f of 2, we're multiplying 2 times the output of f of 1. So the way we write that is f of n minus 1. So when we have f of 2, which we know is 10, we want 10 to equal 2 times f of 2 minus 1, which is f of 1, which is 5. So we see that that works.